Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate the RedotPay virtual card permanently. So if you have decided that you want to deactivate or delete your virtual card because you are not willing to use it, you can just simply go ahead and do so by watching this particular video. So you need to come here on RedotPay and then sign in into your account first. Then tap on the option of cards. Over here, you need to simply select your virtual card. Then simply tap on the option of settings. Now over here in the settings, the last option would be of delete card or deactivate this card permanently. So you need to simply select this particular option. Then you need to provide the reason why do you want to delete this particular card. So you need to select any of these reasons and then press next. On the next page, you need to simply follow further on-screen instructions in order to successfully deactivate your RedotPay virtual card. And remember that this is going to be permanent. If you want to basically use the virtual card again in the future, then you need to apply for a separate virtual card, which is going to cost you money again. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.